With RapidPipeline's decimation baking features, users can reduce the mesh complexity and material count of a model while preserving important details. In this example, the source model has about 150,000 polygons, as well as 4 materials, each having a base color, a normal, and a roughness map. RapidPipeline offers a variety of actions that cover the most used optimization tasks. This time, we need the Decimate and Bake Atlas action. You can bake an additional ambient occlusion map or manually set the resolution of the baked textures. But this time, we choose the defaults. Now we have a texture atlas, reducing the total number of materials from 4 to 1, while simultaneously lowering the total face count of the model. With RapidPipeline, optimizing complex 3D assets is fast, effective, and easy. Try it for free or chat with our human team on the website.